If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Edit panel in Acrobat lets you change elements within a PDF and add new elements to a PDF. To show the Edit panel in Acrobat, first open a PDF to edit in Acrobat. Then, click the Edit a PDF link in the All Tools panel at the left side of the screen, or click the Edit command in the top bar. Acrobat then shows the Edit panel at the left side of the screen, which contains the PDF editing tools. Upon showing the Edit panel in Acrobat, Acrobat also automatically activates the Select Text tool in the Quick Tools panel. This tool lets you click on an existing element in the open PDF to edit it. When Acrobat activates the Select Text tool, it shows borders called bounding boxes around each text element in the open PDF. This lets you see the text you can edit in the PDF. The initial view of the Edit panel shows buttons that let you edit PDF pages, like rotating pages or cropping pages, in its Modify Page section. Below that, it also shows several buttons that let you add additional text and images to the PDF in the Add Content section. To show more types of content to add, click the More link at the bottom of the section to expand it. To then hide the expanded tools, click the Less link at the bottom of the section. To close the Edit panel in Acrobat, click the Close the Edit panel button in the panel's upper right corner. If you click to select an element within the PDF to edit, the Edit panel changes to show the available editing options for the selected element in a new section that appears at the top of the Edit panel, pushing the existing content further down in the panel. To return to the main Edit panel display, click into the blank area in the PDF to hide the selected element's editing options in the Edit panel. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.